Very good morning, dear students. Now it's the time for your English class. So let's begin. Today we are going to do some copy work. So take out your English copy, open a new page. Now write down the date 12th August 2021, day Thursday, August. Then chapter 6, page 13. Chapter name Sound Sound of Vowel U Sound of Vowel U. So our first question is WRITE, right? 6 WORDS words. SOUND sound of VOWEL vowel U. Write 6 words sound of vowel U. So in this question, we have to write 6 words in which we use the sound of vowel U. So our first word is DUCK, duck. Our next word is CUBE, then HUT, hut, LUCK, luck, GUN, gun, SHOULD, should, not should. Now let's move on to the next question. That is COMPLETE, complete, THE, the, FOLLOWING, following, WORDS words. Complete the following words. In the first word, you have to write U in the first blank. The word is BUSH, bush. Then in the next word, you have to write U in the first blank and I in the second blank. The word is JUICE, juice. Then you have to write U in the first blank and R in the second blank. The word is NURSE, nurse. Then in the next word, you have to write P in the first blank and U in the second blank. The word is PURSE, purse. Then in the word DUCK, duck, you have to write U in the first blank and C in the second blank. Then in the last word TUBE, tube, you have to write U in the first blank and B in the second blank. That's all for today. Do this work in your English copy. Thank you and take care.